Replacing your windows isn't just about fixing a draft or updating the look of your home. It can actually increase your Conway home's value in a big way. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to build equity, new windows are one of the smartest investments you can make. Here's why window replacement is worth considering and how it can truly pay off. Improved curb appeal. First impressions matter. When potential buyers or guests pull up to your house, the windows are one of the first things they see. Old, worn-out windows can make your home look neglected, even if the rest of it is in good shape. On the other hand, modern, stylish windows give your home a fresh, updated appearance that stands out. Clean lines, better materials, and matching trim all come together to enhance curb appeal, making your house more attractive to buyers. Better energy efficiency. Older windows tend to be drafty and less energy efficient. In Conway's climate, with hot summers and mild winters, leaky windows can force your air conditioner to work harder and drive up your energy bills. New energy-efficient windows help keep cool air inside during summer and warm air in during winter. That means lower monthly energy costs and a more comfortable living space, something buyers will notice and appreciate. Increased home value. Replacing your windows can offer a solid return on investment. Most window replacement projects recoup a significant portion of their cost when it comes time to sell the home. Buyers today look for modern, energy-efficient features, and new windows check that box. They'll see value in a home that requires fewer updates and lower utility bills, which can make your property stand out in Conway's real estate market. Noise reduction benefit. If you live near a busy street or in a neighborhood with lots of activity, noise can be a problem. Newer, well-insulated windows do a great job of reducing outside noise, creating a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. That's a huge selling point for many homeowners and future buyers who want a calm retreat from the outside world. Low maintenance appeal. Modern windows are designed to be easy to clean and maintain, unlike older wood frames that can rot or need constant painting. Many replacement windows are made of vinyl, fiberglass, or other materials that hold up well in Conway's weather. They resist fading, chipping, and warping, which means less work for you and less worry for potential buyers who don't want to take on high-maintenance features. Enhanced safety and security. Old windows can be easier to force open, creating security concerns. New windows often include stronger locks, improved hardware, and durable glass options that can help keep your home safer. Many buyers pay attention to security features, and upgraded windows can give them peace of mind. Why act now? If you're on the fence about replacing your windows, consider the bigger picture. Waiting could cost you money through higher energy bills and might hurt your resale value down the line. Window replacement not only makes your home more comfortable and attractive today, but it also sets you up for a higher asking price if you ever decide to sell. In a market like Conway, where buyers look for move-in ready homes with modern upgrades, new windows can make all the difference. You'll enjoy better energy savings, a more beautiful home, like to learn more about how to get started with window replacement, talk to a local window specialist. They can help you choose the best styles and features for your budget and make sure the job is done right. A simple upgrade like new windows might just be the boost your Conway home needs to reach its full value potential.